To create a simple chatbot in Scratch, follow these step-by-step instructions. This chatbot will ask users questions and respond based on their input. First, go to https://scratch.mit.edu and open Scratch. Log in or create an account. If you don't have one, click on Create to start a new project. In the step 1, we will set up the sprite for the chatbot. For choosing a sprite, first click on the Choose a Sprite button. Now you can select any sprite to act as your chatbot, example, Giga or Cat. Here we are choosing Retro Robot. Click Choose a Backdrop and select a background, like space or forest. To make it more interesting here, we are choosing blue sky background. Now we will add code to start the chatbot. First go to the Events section and drag the When Green Flag Clicked block into the code area. Then go to Looks and drag the Say Hello. For 2 seconds block, go to Sensing and drag the Ask What is your name? And wait block, add another Say Hello. For 2 seconds block, then go to Operators and drag Join Operator and place on Hello button. Now change Apple to Nice to Meet You and change Banana to Answer block from Sensing. The chatbot will now greet the user with their name. Now we will make a robot more interactive. To first we want that robot ask the user how they are feeling. We will drag another Ask What's your name? And wait block and change its question to How are you feeling today? Then use a conditional statement. For that, go to Control and drag the If-Else block. Now, in Operators, drag equal to operator and place on an if condition, answer, in first and happy, in another into the if condition. In the if block, add say for 2 seconds block and change it to I'm glad you are happy. In the else block, add another say block and change into I'm sorry to hear that. I hope things get better. For 2 seconds. Now adding a loop for continuous interaction. First go to Control and drag the Forever block. Inside the loop, add Ask block and type, do you want to keep chatting? And wait, dot. Then use another if-else block. If answer is equal to yes, add say block and change it to great. What else would you like to talk about? For 2 seconds, block. Button else, add say goodbye. See you next time. For 2 seconds, block, then add stop all to end the chatbot interaction. The chatbot will look like this.